What's going on, guys? Freezer Bound Outdoors. Today we are reviewing the Odepro KL62 Plus. Right here's the case it comes in. This light here, not only is it super bright, but right here on the flashlight, you can go from red to white to IR. And it comes with the push button, so you can go here, you can switch it straight over to white, and then you can go with the IR. But if you're out in the field hunting, you can have the red light on, turn it off as soon as you see something, switch over to IR, and bang, you're right on IR now. Very simple to use. Like I said, it's super bright. We're going to go over everything that it comes with, but before that, I'm going to put this bad boy on the ATN scope and show you guys the IR footage at night. So it comes with a couple different clips to clip on. This one's super easy. This gun here is a 300 blackout with an Omega silencer and an AT 4K X-Sight scope. And just like that, we're ready to go. We got the push button right here. We're not going to put that on. But let's head up to the house. I have a range set up. I have a zombie at 175 yards. I have a raccoon at 110 yards. And I have a bobcat at 75 yards. So we are going to head up to the house, wait for it to get dark, and show you guys the night vision. Then we'll do the unboxing. Let's go. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you guys the setup before it gets dark. I got the gun set up right here on the bog pod. I got the Odepro KL62 Plus on top of the ATN on the 300 blackout with the Omega silencer. And we are doing a range test. Once it gets dark, I'm not going to move the gun, and you'll be able to see out through there. It goes bobcat, raccoon, zombie. There it is. That's what you guys will be seeing in the complete darkness. Let's go. Alright guys, this is what it looks like, just to show you the difference. You can see a little white out there. There's a little bit of light coming off my garage camera. Now I'm going to turn on the IR in 3, 2, 1. Look at that. Complete darkness. IR off. IR on. We're going to switch it over. That's the white light there. So like right now that bunny can definitely see the white light. Now we're going to go all dark. Drake, 3, 2, 1. Lights are off in the house. There's the IR. Wow, there's something right there too. That must be a little stump or something. You guys can see the bunny hopping. That's at 170 yards with the IR on the ATN scope. Look at these animals, guys. Wow. That raccoon really pops off being dark. But there it is, guys. That is proof. You throw the Odepro KL62 Pro on the ATN scope, and I mean you're getting out past 200, and that is in complete darkness. That bunny has no idea what's about to come to it. Well, let's check out the kit they sent, guys. And hopefully we can get this bad boy out in the woods here soon. Alright guys, I came outside. I detached the light. I'm going to shoot it on the side of the house so you guys can see. I'm about 30 yards away. There's the side of the house. This is the white light. As you can see, I can zoom clear in there to where you can see my European mount. But you guys can see how bright this thing is and zoomable. So let's go ahead and switch it over to the red light. Boom. Actually lights up the whole side of my house. Or we can zoom it in pretty tight in there. And that'll go for a very long ways. Alright guys, now you saw the night vision footage with the IR850. Here is what you get in the box from Odepro. Like I said, this is the KL62 Plus. I took the option with the red, the white, and the IR. There's also another version with the green light. Nice solid case here, specs on the back. As I showed you guys before, here's the actual light. You can see right here it says red, white, IR850. So all you have to do is put the pressure switch end on, and boom, there it is. If you want to adjust it to white, you just turn it this way, and then, of course, the IR. Very quick, very simple, super bright. Should turn it off. It comes with two mounting options. The first one's very simple to use. This goes right over any part of the scope that you have available. The light goes in here, you twist it on, done deal. Check out the inside of the box. Everything's in foam. Here's where the pressure switch goes. Here is just a push button end if you just want to use that. Comes with an extra battery. This is a 3.7 volt from Odepro. And they last forever, guys. They last a couple hours. It's nice to get two of them if you're out hunting all night. You got the whole night covered. And here you got a little toolkit, little lanyard. Here's the charger. Comes with the cord. This box is this mount. This box here is another way to mount it. There you go. These are waterproof, guys. There it is. The KL62 Plus. All the links will be in the descriptions, guys.